Today you are going to begin working on your individual heart rate graph. In order to successfully complete this project, you need to have your heart rate data chart that you should have been keeping up with in your notebook over the course of the semester, a piece of graph paper, and colored pencils. When you begin, you need to take time to graph each one of the separate heart rate lines that would represent your resting, warm-up, and activity heart rates throughout the semester. After you have graphed those three lines, you need to find the average of all three of those heart rates for the entire semester. As you can see on this graph, it is colored in brown and it is a single line across the graph. Your graphs will not look like this one for several reasons. First of all, this graph is missing some axes titles. Also, there are obvious mistakes on this graph. Please keep in mind that you are going to be graded on the accuracy of your data point charting, the clearness of your information as it is represented on the graph, and the accuracy of your average heart rate computation. In addition, you need to make sure that you chart your target heart rate zone for your age across your graph. The equations for this should be in your weekly notebook assignment from the first week of the semester. Be sure your key is clear and that you have put your first and last name on the back of the graph. When you have completed the graph, you will also need to answer the following questions on the back of the graph in pencil. Please do not answer them in marker because they might bleed through to the front of the graph, messing up the work that you have done there. Answer the questions in complete sentences and be sure that your answers are thorough. You will be turning in your heart rate chart and your graph paper once the project is complete.